about starfruit?
Yes, starfruit.
Starfruit.
Go get it.
What's a starfruit?
It literally looks like a star. Add it in. How about guava?
Guava.
Go get it.
Yeah.
Add it in. How about pomegranate?
Holy.
Halloween. You ready?
Is that a witch?
Okay, how about pomegranate? Nice switch. Lily, you ready for the soup? Okay, how about pomegranate? Go get it. Add it in. How about strawberries? Go get it. Add it in. How about pepper? Go get it. Add it in.